me again, Teacher Lily at Happy Class Center. Today, let's learn about letter J sound J, J. Jet, J, J, jet. A jet can fly in the sky. Juice, J, J, juice. I like drinking juice. Jam, J, J, jam. I love jam. Jacket, J, J, jacket. A jacket makes me warm. Now let's do a quiz. Everyone, let's look. Teacher has two pictures here and show me which picture is jacket, J, J, jacket. This one? Great. Now let's say jacket, J, J, jacket. And how about this? Good. Say jam, J, J, jam. And the next one, let's show me which picture is jet, J, J, jet. It is? No, it is. Great. Now let's say jet, J, J, jet. And how about the last one? What's this? Great. Juice, J, J, juice. Now let's review. Jacket, J, J, jacket. I want a jacket. Jam, J, J, jam. I want jam. Jet, J, J, jet. I want a jet. Juice, J, J, juice. I want juice.